Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your English exam. Preparing for your English exam can feel like a big task, but with a clear plan, you can achieve excellent results. We'll break down the process into 4 easy-to-follow steps, ensuring you cover all essential areas. From understanding the syllabus to mastering revision techniques, this guide will help you approach your exam with confidence and a solid strategy. Let's get started on your path to success. Next, let's master reading comprehension and grammar. For reading, practice with various passages, aiming for at least 2 or 3 per day. Focus on understanding the main points and drawing inferences. For grammar, dedicate time to reviewing fundamental rules like subject-verb agreement and correct punctuation. Work through a minimum of 10 to 15 grammar exercises daily to solidify your knowledge and avoid common errors. Consistent practice in these areas is key to building a strong foundation. Now, let's focus on excelling in writing and literature. For writing, practice various formats such as essays, letters, and short stories. Aim to write at least 1 complete piece every 2 days, focusing on clarity and coherence. For literature, thoroughly read all your prescribed texts, paying close attention to character development and central themes. Summarize each chapter or poem in about 100 to 150 words to ensure deep understanding. This will help you articulate your thoughts clearly during the exam. Finally, let's talk about effective revision and exam strategy. Begin your revision at least 2 weeks before the exam, reviewing all notes and key concepts. Solve a minimum of 3 to 5 previous exam papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. This helps you manage your time effectively. Identify any areas where you consistently struggle and dedicate an extra 30 minutes daily to those topics. Remember to stay calm, trust your preparation, and get 8 hours of sleep the night before.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.